Hello, and welcome to another episode of Last Month in Privacy, where we have a look at some of the biggest talking points in privacy over the last few weeks. April came with more developments regarding international data transfers, this time in relation to the European Data Protection Board's opinion regarding the European Commission's proposed adequacy decision for the UK. The EDPB noted that there are key areas of strong alignment between the EU and the UK data protection frameworks on certain core provisions. However, it also outlined a number of areas that should be further assessed and/or monitored by the Commission, including possible future divergences, creating risks for the maintenance of the level of protection provided to personal data transferred from the EU, and the interplay between the UK data protection framework and its international agreements. The El Salvador Assembly announced that it had passed the law on protection of personal data and habeas data. The Assembly highlighted that the law affords rights of access, rectification, cancellation, and opposition, as well as the imposition of obligations on the security of personal data. The Assembly also outlined that the law contains a transition provision where existing databases, at the time of entry into force of the law, will have a period of 6 months to amend the processing of personal data to that required by the law. The law is expected to enter into force 1 year after its publication in the Official Gazette. In China, the National People's Congress announced that the draft Personal Information Protection Law, as well as the draft Data Security Law, will be under continued consideration by the Standing Committee. The MPC noted that it aims to amend the current legislation, including enacting the draft Data Security Law and the PIPL, which will focus on innovation-driven development and accelerating the development of a modern industrial system. Should the laws be adopted, they would represent an overhaul of the existing data protection regime in China. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Last Month in Privacy. As ever, you can stay up to date regarding everything that happens on a daily basis by visiting www.dataguidance.com.